Here we go. We're coming to do a laundry. Look at this. All right. We have washers and dryers. Trash is full. Don't look like they had no work done in a while. Wipe the dryer doors off. Clean down in there. Yes, sir. And we will get these washed on down. So we're gonna start here on the washers. And the reason being is that the laundry room will be opening up soon. And so we're gonna get some washers for the people to wash when they wanna wash. And then we're gonna get the dryers taken care of so they can have places to wash and dry their clothes as we continue to clean. We don't want to interrupt the business. As I was going cleaning this off, I seen this. So they might want to change this. So I'll take it to them and see if they want to change it. Just a little extra. We don't, but I guess we do. If you see it, might as well bring it to their attention. They might be overlooking. That's how you add value. You add value to your client. They might, like I said, they might just be overlooking this. So what I do is I take it to them and see if they got another one and just replace it. Something minor, but it can mean so much. Okay. They let somebody drop some little stuff in between there. We're going to go ahead and shimmy that on out. Cleaning these, what are these called? Washers and dryers today. Alright, so first thing, I'll give me some Dawn dishwashing liquid and some water. That makes it quicker for me. And I don't have to keep spraying the spray. But I keep the spray by me just because you have certain spots that need some extra attention. But Dawn dishwashing liquid and water does look amazing for cleaning. So it's low cost and it actually cleans. Let's see, remember this here? Well, this was a good thing that we done because it was all clogged up and dirty. But the truth of the matter is, they didn't have another one that size. So they gave me this. And I was like, okay, I was going to put it in there. And I was like, okay, let me put it up here. Let me put it here. It falls. So then I seen that. All right. Now, let me know in the comments below, if you choose, would you have put the other one on, the other one on that they gave me, with it was too small, but it was clean, or would you have dusted off and put it back? Floor should always be the last thing you do, especially if you're doing high dusting. Everything floor should be last because you're going to get the floor dirty. Sometimes I will go in the vacuum though. I will go in the vacuum my floor up to get the floor a little bit more manageable because I don't want to track up a lot of dirt. It depends on how dirty the building is. All right, here we go. Walk through. Let's see, man. Got this thing looking good. Yes, sir. Floor has a little shine to it. We put a little wax in the water on this one, just because we wanted to bring some kind of color back to the floor. It was dry, so we put a little wax on here. We're gonna let this thing dry, and next time if it is a next time, most likely will be a next time. We'll come in with just regular mopping. It's something extra we done for them. It's feel good just to be able to be done, and the product look good. You know, the product look good. So sometimes it's not all about the monetary gain you can get on certain aspects, like this right here. Taking this out and dusting this off. All I had to do was clean this. But it was dusty, and I brought it to their attention, and they ordered some. They didn't know they didn't have any. So I don't get paid for that, but I do. I will go on a limb and say that's the part of the service that we provide, is to make sure that our clients know what they need. You know, take some of the effort off of them. And so that's what we look to do here in the scent. And yeah, it's a scent in here. It's definitely a scent in here. A little pine saw scent. Well, it's not pine saw, but it's a little pine scent in here. And yeah, we out of here, man. I don't know how many of these we're gonna have to do to get to where we want to get to. But now we talking commercial, residential, move in and move out in Nashville, Tennessee. If you like the content that I put up, hit the subscribe button. There's a bell to be notified every time I put a video up. You can share if you think there's someone else would like to hear. Or I'd like to say throw something positive up there, because some people don't want to do nothing. You just say something positive and hey, appreciate it. And I'm out of here. Another one down.